Hi, today in front of me is Zenfone 10 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So open first the settings and then tap to the sounds and vibration. To mute ringtone volume, we could just hold and slide to the left side ring volume panel with our finger. This dots on ring volume panel with our finger. Also, we can make it with the help of the volume button just by press down volume button. But first in volume default control, we should switch media to the ringtone volume, and by this way we could just change the volumes with the help of the volume buttons. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.